Hello everyone. In previous video we have completed NCRT. In this part we will start ML Agrawal. Triangle and its property means if when you will read in NCRT chapter number 6, clear, chapter number 6 there is the triangle and its property. In ML Agrawal chapter number 10 the triangle and its property, clear. We have completed till previous video chapter number 6 from NCRT. In this video we will start exercise 10.1 from ML Agrawal. ML Agrawal. In ML Agrawal exercise 10.1, whatever question is different that question we will do, clear, but whatever question is same means digit is also same, that question we will not do, clear. In question number 1 it is a different, this type question we have done, but this question is different. In the adjoining figure one triangle is given, triangle PQR. First question, triangle PQR, clear. Here is 4 part is given. In first half question is name the vertex, name the vertex opposite to side, opposite to side PQ. Name the vertex opposite to side PQ means this side is PQ, this side opposite vertex is R, means answer is R, clear. Second one is asking name the side, name the side opposite to vertex, opposite to vertex Q. Vertex Q to opposite side is R. Answer PR. See, opposite side PQ by vertex opposite PQ R, but opposite to vertex Q side is PR, clear. Third one is name the angle opposite to side QR. Which angle? Angle P. Answer is angle P. Fourth one is name the side opposite to angle R. To angle R opposite side is PQ. PQ is the opposite side of angle R, clear. Name the vertex opposite to side PQ R. Name the side opposite to vertex Q PR. Name the angle opposite to side QR P, angle P. Name the side opposite to angle R PQ. Note down. Question number 2. Look at the figure given below and classify each of the triangle according to its sides and angles, clear. In second number question so many figure is given there, and in some figure sides value is given. Clear? There you can find basis of sides and basis of angles. Some part I am explaining you. Second, first is given one triangle. Okay, 6 ABC, triangle ABC. It is 6 centimeter, it is 7 centimeter, it is 7 centimeter. I told you in first part types of triangle. Clear? When two side is equal, in any triangle, means that triangle is isosceles triangle. Means this triangle name is isosceles. Clear? Second one is given like this. Okay? Second one is given. It is 6 centimeter. It is 10 centimeter. It is 8 centimeter. Clear? Triangle LMN. Clear? So on the basis of side, if you will see this, it is a scalene triangle. Scalene triangle means if there is no side is equal, that is scalene. But if on the basis of angle you will see this figure, it is a right angle triangle. Clear? Means it is a second A, second it is a B, second part. Clear? It is a second A first part and B first part. I am sorry. According to B means on the basis of angle, acute angle triangle. Acute angle triangle means between 0 to 90 degree angle. Means in second question there is asking on the basis of sides and on the basis of angle. Means this figure you will see and you will tell on the basis of side what you will tell this. On the basis of angle what you will tell. So on the basis of side, isosceles triangle. On the basis of angle, acute angle triangle. Here is on the basis of side, scalene triangle. On the basis of angle, right angle. Why right angle? See, one angle is 90 degree. Rest part you can do. Question number 3 you have done in NCERT. Same question. And question number 4, 5 you can do. 6, 1 also done in NCERT. Means 4, 5 and 7 you will do in the copy. And those who are same, means digit is same, value is same, that question you will not do. Note down this. Then next exercise we will start. Exercise 10.2. I told you one formula. Sum of interior opposites angles equal to exterior angle. In this exercise, whatever question is same, means digit is same, that question you will not do, but different question you will do. Means if process is same, digit is change, you can do this. But if digit is not change, same if you have done in NCERT, you will not do. Clear? This formula I told you, sum of interior opposite angle equal to exterior angle. Clear? On the basis of this formula, you can solve all the question in exercise 10.2. Question number first. A triangle. Clear? It is a 45. It is a 65. Asking this. Clear? So I told you formula. Sum of interior opposite angle equal to exterior angle. Clear? Means 45 plus 65. So sum of two interior opposite means 45 plus 65. Exterior means yes. Outside. When you will do plus, you will get 110. Means x equal to 110 degree. Clear? On the basis of this, first all the rest part you can do. Note down. Question number second. Find the value of the unknown interior angle in each of the following diagram. Very simple question. It is a triangle. Okay. It is given 50 degree. It is given x. And exterior angle is given 115 degree. Clear? With the help of that formula, sum of interior opposite angle equal to exterior angle means x plus 50 equal to 115, then x equal to 115 minus 50, x equal to 65. Clear? Transposition x plus 50 equal to 150 plus 50, there you will write, sign will be changed, plus change in minus, x equal to 115 minus 50, 5 minus 0 5, 11 minus 5 6, x equal to 65. And second, third you can do. In question number third, find the value of x. Here is also triangle is given. Clear? 2x, 2x, and here is 105 degree. Clear? Okay. Sum of two interior angles. Okay. Sum of interior opposite. Okay. Equal to exterior angle. Sum of two interior opposite angle equal to exterior angle means x plus 2x equal to 105, then 3x equal to 105, x equal to 105 by 3, 3 3 is 9, 3 5 is x equal to 35. See, sum of two interior opposite angle equal to exterior angle, x plus 2x equal to 105, then 3x equal to 105, x equal to 105 by 3. When you will divide 3 divided by 105, 3 3 is 9, and 3 5 is 15, means 35 is the answer. Rest two part you can do. Question number 4. Solve it. Question number 4. By angle sum property you can do. Question number 5 is different. That I will explain. First. It is a triangle. X 50, y and 120. Clear? Means find the value of x and y. Y plus 120 equal to 180 degree by linear pair. Then y equal to 180 minus 120. Y equal to 60 degree. Clear? After that, sum of two interior angle equal to one exterior angle. From that formula, but if you want to find by angle sum property, from that formula, means you have two methods for x you can find. Clear? Sum of interior opposite angle equal to exterior angle. Clear? Interior opposite angle which? X plus 50, not x plus y. If you have taken x plus y, the answer will be wrong. Clear? You will take x plus 50. It is the opposite of 120. Clear? Not this one is not opposite of 120. Clear? Then x plus 50 equal to 120 degree. Clear? And x equal to 120 minus 50, x equal to 70 degree. Means x equal to 70, y equal to 60. This is the value of x and y. Means y you have find by linear pair. Clear? Sum of two interior opposite angle equal to exterior angle. X plus 50 equal to 120. X equal to 120 minus 50, x equal to 7. Note down. And rest two part you can do. Question number 6 and 7 you can do. Clear? Question number 8. It is also easy, but I will explain. One angle is given. How much? 80 degree. Clear? So one of the angle is 80 degree. Other two angle are equal. So other two angle we don't know. We don't know that. That we will take. Let the angle be x. Clear? Find the measure of each of the equal angle. We know that angle sum property I told you. Clear? Means x plus 80 equal to 180 degree by angle sum property. In triangle, I told you a triangle is a closed figure having three sides, three angle and three vertices. So two angle are x, one angle is 80. X plus 80 equal to 180. Means 2x plus 80 equal to 180 degree. Clear? Then 2x equal to 180 minus 80. Then 2x equal to 100. X equal to 100 by 2. X equal to 50. Means each angle are 50. Means other two angles 50. Other two angles 50 comma 50. Clear? If you want to check your answer is correct or not, you can do plus 50 plus 50 plus 80 equal to 180. Note down. Question number 9. One of the angle is 60 degree. Other two angle given in the ratio form. Clear? Find these angles. Question number 9. One angle is 60 degree. Let the ratio as be x. Means angles are 2 ratio 3 is given. Means 2x and 3x. Clear? We know that 2x plus 3x plus 60 equal to 180. Clear? 5x plus 60 equal to 180. 5x equal to 180 minus 60. Then 5x equal to 120. X equal to 120 by 5. Then x equal to 24. Clear? It is the value of x. It is not an angle value. Clear? Means what we have done. One angle is 60. Ratio HBX. Angles, other angles given in the ratio form. 2x plus 3x plus 60 equal to 180. Clear? 5x plus 60 equal to 2x plus 3x 5x plus 60 equal to 180. Then 5x equal to 180 plus 60. There you will add, sign will be changed. 5x equal to 120. Then x equal to 120 by 5. X equal to 24. Now angles 2x means 2 into 24. 48. 3x means 3 into 24. Means 72. Means first 48, 72 and 60. When you will do plus it, you will get 180. Note down. Question number 10. If the angles of triangle are in the ratio, here is all the angles are given in the ratio. Clear? So first of all we will let the ratio as be x. Let the ratio as be x. Let the ratio as be x. Clear? Now angles, angle given 1 ratio 2 ratio 3 means x comma 2x comma 3x. Clear? Ratio change in x. Ratio as be x. Angles are x comma 2x comma 3x. We know that x plus 2x plus 3x equal to 180 by angle sum property. 3 to 5 1, 6x equal to 180. Then x equal to 180 by 6. 6 3 is 80. X equal to 30. X equal to 30 means now angles x means 30. 2x 2 into 30 60 degree. 3x 3 into 30 equal to 90 degree. Means x 2x and 3x is given. X plus 2x plus 3x equal to 180. 6x equal to 180. 3 to 5 1 6x. Then x equal to 180 by 6. When you will divide it, you will get 30 degree. X equal to 30. It is the value of x. It is not an angle. After that you will find the angle. Now angle x equal to, first is 1x means x 30. 2x means 2 into 30 60. 3x 3 into 30 90 degree. Clear? It is a scalene right angle. Now this exercise is complete. Clear? Okay, thank you student.